Butter chicken is one of the most popular Indian dishes I prepare for my family. A spicy, creamy, buttery chicken dish loved by all. Very easy to make. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. Take 500 grams of chicken thighs cut to pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, chili, coriander powder, half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of oil and half a lemon juice. Mix and marinate for 2 hours in the fridge, preferably overnight. Okay, let's make the curry. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee into a hot pan and a medium sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Here's the ground spice list. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili, coriander, cumin, garam masala, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. When oil starts separating from the spices, add 1 can of whole peeled tomato and 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix them well and add half a cup of plain yogurt, handful of cashew nuts, handful of chopped coriander and kasuri methi for that earthy flavor. Continue to cook for about 10 minutes on low heat, and if you got the measurements right, this will nicely fit into a NutriBullet blender. Blend it to a creamy texture and put it aside. Let's pan fry the marinated chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee into a hot pan and pan fry the chicken 2 minutes each side in batches without overcrowding the pan. We want to pan fry this chicken up to about 80% of the way and complete the cooking with the curry. When all the batches done, in my case it's 2, add all the chicken back into the pan with its lovely juices and remaining marinade. It's time to add the creamy curry into the chicken and make it a butter chicken. Wash down the blender with about 200 milliliters of water and simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. We are at our last step. Turn off the heat and add a generous cube of salted butter and 2 tablespoons of thickened cream. Add salt to taste if needed and let's plate it. Check out this beautiful butter chicken with white fluffy rice. The chicken is tender and juicy, and look at this sweet, creamy, buttery curry. Such an easy recipe to make. Give it a try and tell me what you think.